Hello everyone, hello my children at home. I hope you're enjoying the holiday. Is it good? I think you're eating a lot of food now, but don't let your stomach. Oh. Okay, today we are looking at the vowel letters. We have vowel letters. Vowel letters. And the vowel letters, remember, they are letters that are so talkative. When you have them in a word, they make sense in a word. You can easily read the word when you have vowel letters. And here we have vowel letter vowel vowel and from we go to vowel 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 and this one we have vowel 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 and here we have vowel 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 and this one vowel vowel. Remember, vowel letters, they help us to first make the two-letter words. Like you want to make a vowel letter of two-letter words, you want to make a word in a two-letter words, you can easily make it with a vowel letter. And here we have vowel vowel. When you make with an action, you easily don't forget the vowel letter. Vowel vowel. Do as I do. Vowel vowel. And here we have vowel vowel vowel. And this one vowel 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 this one vowel 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 and this one vowel vowel. Let me ask you a question. How many vowel letters do you see here? How many vowel letters do we have? I know you know. Okay, let us see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 vowel letters. How many vowel letters do we have? We have 5 vowel letters. Vowel, vowel, vowel. Repeat after me. Vowel, 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 vowel. Vowel, 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 vowel. And here, vowel, 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 vowel. Vowel letters, these are letters that are so important in our reading. When a child gets to know the vowel letters, then reading and adding words or syllables, it makes it easier. I think you've enjoyed the vowel letters. And when you're at home, tell mommy to write the vowel letters in your books and read them more. You read as you make actions. You read, make actions, and try to write them down in your books. Then you tell mommy or daddy to comment with your work. And don't forget to tell her or daddy to subscribe on our YouTube channel and to press the notification bell. Then you'll get to know more of the vowel letters. Next time when I'm coming, I'm going to come more with the vowel letter, and we have some words, the two-letter words from vowel and from vowel 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 vowel. I hope you have enjoyed the vowel letters today. See you next time. Bye-bye.